اركب عليهم.
There's a big camel. Like a dinosaur. You two ain't even stood up yet. Here we go.
Take care your mobile, so please.
Yes.
Don't fall it. Don't fall it.
Okay, you're holding on to it.
This is gonna be a bumpy ride. Nick, you're holding on. You just gotta like go with it.
Oh my god, it's rubbing itself on my leg.
Yeah, they're prickly, aren't they?
Oh, that felt quite nice actually.
Nick, your one's got a nice pair of balls on it. This is like the quad bikes all over again.
160 for speed.
Yeah. Oh shit. I'm surprised Peter didn't join.
He's scared of that.
Yeah, but he fucking takes pictures of them all the time.
And the animals are more intelligent.
Yeah.
They cost like £3 for a bit of money.
Yeah. Yeah, if you guys don't know that aliens built these.
Yeah.
Oh. How you feeling, Nick? Yeah?
That's the last one.
Yeah, the 100-metre sprint. Got one what? Pedal? Yeah, I've got none. I don't know, I had one at the start, but I lost it in my foot. So I'm just free roaming it. Oh. Mate. Back, give the pyramid a smack, make sure it's stable.
Ya burada güzel, şurada oturalım.
Yeah, that's not coming down anytime soon.